Welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can catch the Valentine mutated fish in Abyss Roblox. So the Valentine's Mutations is officially live in Abyss, and it's include the Cupid Mutations and also this one's right here, the Lonely Mutations. So you can just find the fish with pink color and love around it like this, and make sure that you hover it long enough so that you can catch it. So that's the Lonely Mutations, and for the Cupid's one, it's almost looks the same, but it looks all in a pink color. I'm going to show you how it look like, the Cupid one. Okay, so the Cupid one looks like this, all in pink color, and the Lonely one look like this. This is the one that I catch before. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.